Hello everybody. Today I am going to talk to you about acid drainage and how it's made so much worse by mining, and in particular mountaintop removal mining for coal. And what we have to bear in mind is that where coal deposits are found, deposits of iron sulfide are found. That's the FeS you see up in the corner. Now, iron sulfide, through a single replacement reaction, will react with oxygen that it's exposed to form iron oxide, which is FeO2 or rust, and sulfur dioxide. And the sulfur dioxide will then react with water to form sulfuric acid. Now, when that acid leaches through other rock, it can dissolve metals like lead, aluminum, zinc, and cadmium out of the rock and create a very toxic stew. Right? And so where does that sulfur come from? Remember, plants use sulfur to grow, and then plants, when they die, form coal. Rock around them has coal. Now let's take a look at a nice mountain range in West Virginia or Pennsylvania or something, and we'll put some streams in the valleys, and we know that water flows downhill into the valleys to form those streams. There's a forest on top. And so rain falls on the surface of these rocks all the time. You may be asking, why doesn't that form acid drainage? And the answer is the surface area is relatively small. The streams will be a little bit acidic, but then when we blast off the top of the mountain and fill in the valley through a process called valley fill with all these rubbles and boulders, now we've created a really large surface area. Each one of those pieces of rock has its own surface area, and iron sulfide in that rock can then react with oxygen and water. And as the rain falls on it and water percolates through it and oxygen mixes, we get acid drainage coming out instead of regular, slightly acidic water. So